Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to switch off or power off your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. Usually to power off any phone, whether it is Vivo or iQOO or any Android phone, how you will start? Just you will long press this side key, there is power key. Okay, this is the key for turn on your phone. Okay, so if you again long press it, usually all phones will have power off menu, but in this phone it's not like that. Okay, so to power off, what you have to do is now you go to simultaneously press power button and volume up button together. Okay, then only you will have the power off menu here, and here you will have power off option. Okay, if you click on it, your phone will be switched off. Alternatively, you can go to the notification area, and there you will find one icon that is called power off soft key. Okay, so this is power off menu icon. Just click on it and power off menu will appear, and then you can click on power off so that your phone will be switched off. So you have two methods to power off. Okay, not usual method like power button only. Okay, you got to simultaneously press power button and volume up button to have power off menu, or go to the notification area and find the power off menu icon and just click that, and you will have the power off menu there, power off option there, and just touch on it. Okay, and if you would like to switch on, only you have to use power on that is power key. Okay, just long press this power key so that iQOO Z9s will be loading. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.